Well, my man right here got a problem. Who knows what it could be? Right? You gotta do the proper test. You gotta make sure you go through the proper test and the proper steps to make sure your truck is ready. Do you want to know what this man did? Do you want to know? Are you ready to see what this man did? Check it out. Check it out. Oh boy, does that look familiar? Does that look familiar? Well, some people, like most people, they would not really pay attention because they don't really know how this goes and they never did it before. But there's two of us that says the same thing. You cannot test the system like that. You have to build a cap to test. There's a pressure release hole still open when you use the test straight to the tank. Oh man. Where did he get his information from? Did he get it from this motherfucker right here? Who taught you to test the system like that? Must have been this idiot who cost us $8,000. Can't get no results without the pump. You must have gotten the kit without the pump. Remember that video? You know, that video where they said there was nothing wrong with the truck? You know why he can't really say anything? Because he know what I said is true. And if he tries anything, he will get...
Yeah, that's your work right there. Now you got people on the internet believing that's how you properly do a test. Y'all keep watching this freaking clown right here.